na celebrate. But for now, I can't wait sa isang katulad mo na aking magandang. Check, come on, Jen in the house. Yeah, check, come on. Oh yeah. Walang practice eh. Verse 2, come on. Verse 2, okay, I'm mad about you, pero kinakanta ko, girl, how about you? I hope you like me the way I like you. I'm a girl, baka i-disregard na parang Michael Jordan. Now just show me away, roll me away. If I get the roses, maybe you just throw it away. Wag naman sana, bigyan mo naman sana ng panahon ng puso ko umaasa sana. Napansinin pagkat ako'y nagpapapansin at mahalin pagkat ako'y nagmamahal din. Girl, hindi mo na alam mo, babe, isang hindi mo lang, wala kang ilubay. Pansinin mo lang, bigyan mo lang, yan po ang aking feelings. Mahal di jump from the floor up to the ceiling. Basta paalala, huwag ka lang tatawa. Pagkain mo'y mawalan at hindi ko na makaya. Okay. Check. Once. Say what, say what? Verse 3, come on. Verse 3, I hope the best will happen to me. Liligawan, papasagutin until you marry me. I'll make you happy every day of my life. I'm the happiest man in the world. If you can be my wife, and I'll waste no time, girl, so I can really serve you. Nasa bahay ako agad, wala na curfew, I'll never hurt you, and that is what I promise. Bigyan ka ng romance na napakatamis, but I'm dreaming. At lagi na lang akong nahihibang sa pag-ibig mo. Lagi na lang akong nag-aapang mula sa heaven above. Hulugan ako ng grasya, cause it's you and it's your love that I treasure. Every day of my life till the end of the time, hoping and praying that I can make you mine. Pag ikaw ay aking naamala, ikaw sa tayo kasi ikaw lang ang girl who can make you cry, oh babe. Check, come on. Okay na to ha? Nautuloy na ako. Ang lakas ko ako to.